Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. Today one more product unboxing and that one is a 7-in-1 Braun Food Processor 7-in-1 German made brand. I purchased here in Copenhagen, Denmark and very easily purchased. I purchased here in Denmark. The product price just only 650 Danish kroner. So we will see inside the box what exactly product look like. So that one is a really amazing 3 years guarantee they are providing me. So we can remove here. It's very simple. There is a magic booklet. If you not understand how to using this magic booklet, you can use this one. Inside the box, so many. That's it. Now here, this is a magic booklet. This is the original product. They are providing two types of jar. One is a big and second one is a small. Using this jar, you can make juice also. Tasty juice using different qualities food. Like this. They are providing one small also. You can use this one also, like a small, like onion, garlic, ginger. You can paste here using this one. And this one is a big. So many different types of contingency also they are providing. Using this one, you can clean and mix properly. This is a plastic related scissor. That is it's very simple to understand this product and use. So look at this. This is a small jar. And the three different types of jar they are providing. One is a small, second largest and big largest, and some different contingency also they are providing. Using this one you can mix properly this big jar. Here are some different item also they are providing. First of all, I use this product and then after 1 month I can make once again review video. Perfect. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.